chilling to do. This year the Queen Quet. One more again for this year Gullah Geechee Nation News. Now, 100 children know when you're there with me, you're going to know what is going on. But look here, this year at the Gullah Festival 2010, but look who me find ya, Brother White. Now, plenty of we children who there from Beaufort, South Carolina, you know this young man, but you might don't know him by his face, you might don't know him by his name, but I bet you know him by Christmas wine though. Okay then. So now, when you go in the store, especially down at the Piggly Wiggly and things like that, and it all, okay, you see that big old jug, and you know you usually go in there and get on Christmas time and things like that. Okay, and Thanksgiving, and you study about them now when you see something called Blackberry drinking and stuff. You see them in the summer, and you say, well, that can't be that, but it is, right?
It is.
Okay.
Blackberry drink now coming in with 2 small containers now, you know.
Okay, now see, that's the part.
Yes.
Now, you got here the quart size container.
Yes.
And now this is White's Blackberry drink. Now, so that's your name, but how did you get into this business and when did you start this business?
To get first started, my father did it back in 1957, 7 years old.
All right.
My father bought the trademark from Dan Coca-Cola Bottling Company.
Okay.
Being an entrepreneur and there being a little adventurous, you know. He started bottling drink, and it was a small production, a small facility, you know.
Okay.
And I said, well, Dad's in school, up the money he made for me drink. You know?
Really?
I
Yeah.
said, well, let me go and put everything in there. The Lord, when the vision he gave me, I just started with it. Took me some years and some time, some effort and dedication.
Dedication.
And I
Yeah.
did it, man, and never gave up. And I said, well, let me go with it, man. Ups and downs of life I went through, man.
Right.
So I kept with it, kept going on, and we all take it right now.
Yes. So this is a lesson.
It is a blessing.
So now, you were telling me though, we can get this drink elsewhere now. You don't have to just wait till Thanksgiving time.
No.
And you don't have to wait just to come to
No.
Beaufort.
No.
So now you got a wider distribution.
Yes, I do.
So now where can they get the drink? Let's say they live all the way in Charleston. Can they get this?
Right now, the Piggly Corporation of Charleston, the subdivision, gave me 34 stores in Somerville, Beaufort, Houston, Savannah, all the way up to Orangeburg. My problem right now is go ahead and get the distribution spots ready. People that help me with the sales and production and transportation, get them off unemployment, to give them some money to go ahead and give them
Get
ready.
some work and get
done.
it out there.
I'm at that point right now.
All right. So that means you're looking for more Gullah Geechees to come join you in the business.
Please, please.
So that way they can help you get the thing out further and further and further.
And keep it inside us.
I know that's right. Keep them amongst we self.
That's right.
But now look here, Blackberry drink. Now we can't pick Blackberry on yet.
We used to.
They used to.
We used to.
But nowadays you can't.
No, that's right.
Can't
What I did, I got a trademark from that.
Okay.
An international trademark from that. And I got a manufacturing company up in a certain province.
So you can get them whenever you need them.
want to do a contract.
Okay. So that way, because see, you ain't want people to start drinking the good drink every day, then they can't find them because you ain't got no Blackberry.
That's right.
Okay, so this is great. So now, if people always want to know a lot of times about what we like to eat, but you never ask us what we like for drink. Now see this your Blackberry drink now? I'm trying to tell you this was my favorite drink right here. Okay, people be to tease me because see I buy them Thanksgiving and Christmas time and buy several drugs and have them spread out. And they be like, why you buy so much? I say, because see when it stops selling and it sell out, I still got mine going on into the new year. But see, like y'all up here, you can go in the pig, you can get it, and you can go to the website. All right? So y'all go see the website coming up there. We definitely want you to go to the website, contact Brother White, say, yeah, we see you on Gullah Geechee TV News, and we want to know how to get this Blackberry drink, because we ain't want you to just distribute right here in South Carolina. We want to spread out and grow and go. Now, I know some of the church folks, y'all know this drink.
Yes, it is.
Because y'all know during communion Sunday, plenty of y'all, this the same wine right here.
Same wine right there.
So don't think, say, if you have one church function, that this is a wine you can't have it. It's a drink. So it ain't fermented like that.
No.
We call it Christmas wine. Plenty of people say, boy, y'all will get tight. I said, no, we ain't get tight.
You had to all eat the money all year. Christmas wine.
Wine.
You know, once it'll hit that later on, you know, through 3 or 4 months, man, to come with it, you know, it got a little wine taste.
Right.
But you know, it's not a wine, it's a drink.
Drink, exactly.
And that's a good cocktail also, you know, but we usually use it and
Right.
Right. It's great. born and raised on this thing.
That's right. I see you looking good. And for carrying on all these years. And definitely, we salute you because to be here in 2010 and know somebody started a business back in 1957 and their family kept it going. That's something that a lot of times our folks say, well, we don't see nobody in business. Well, that's why we got our show. You ain't gonna tell me, say, you won't see none of we in business. Because you see them on this your show. And y'all know that how I go down. Like he said, keep amongst we, that's what it's show for. So you can't tell me, say, Queen, I ain't know how to forget the thing because I ain't supposed to know who to have them. Well, look here, you watch the program, you know now. If you gonna have all that good food and thing for Nampon, get something to drink for put alongside them, put some good ice in that thing. Man, it might slap your grandma after everything over with.
Are you real?
Okay. So look here, for sure. This really, seriously, y'all, this year is one of my favorite drinks for truth. I ain't gonna story to you, tall. So I'm glad it will see Brother White Show with the drink. Now, y'all make sure y'all hit the store and also hit him on the website. Like he said, he looking for folks to help with distribution, help with work. That's how we work together. We gotta employ one another so that then we all work together and it all remains in the community. We all can eat, we all can drink, and we all can live. So we thank God for you. We thank God for keeping up the good work that your daddy started.
Had to.
Yes, this is powerful. Powerful. And definitely, you see how strong that man looks. So if he been wrong all these years drinking this drink here, and you see how I look, you need to join we. All right?
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.
Yes, thank God for you. And all 100 children know this year the Queen Quet, head on the body of this year Gullah Geechee Nation, and this year the one Gwine on. Peace, children.